And so now we see the dreaded snow in its natural habitat. It has ensconced the trees and the surroundings. It's a horrible, horrible thing. And the only thing you can see is white stuff. I don't know. It's the blizzard of Christmas past. No, wait, that would be present. It's the blizzard of Christmas present. And it has taken over. What?
You are so silly.
What I know? I'm just narrating the blizzard of Christmas 2012. What I do now? I was just talking about the blizzard. Taboo. Taboo. You know it's a blizzard. What? Why are you laughing at me? It's a blizzard.
You're so funny.
Honey. It's the blizzard of 2012. You know I'm a diabetical. Don't act like that. I'm trying to do my picture on the blizzard. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. See the snow in its native Why is he laughing at me?
Is it snowing?
No.
It's still snowing?
I don't know. What do you think it's doing?
I can't see. Looks like it's snowing or something.
You should put
like
your
that.
eyeballs on.
I see the white. But is there precipitation?
Not only that, but it's snowing too.
Okay. Boy, it's going to be a slow drive to Little Rock in the morning.
Yeah, you might want to put your chains on.
Get out of town, Negro.
Why is that funny?
Because I don't have any chains, first of all. And second of all, if I did, I wouldn't want to be out there putting them on my tires.
Oh, come on. You know you want those on your
It's
tires.
cold out there.
Ew. You are such a...
I hate cold worse than you do. Call me whatever you want to. I don't care.
I wasn't going to call you anything. I would never do that.
Okay. It's
You're
cold.
the hubs.
It's cold out there.
It's cold out there.
And it's snowing and it's cold. Nah, I just have to go slow. That's what I'll do. Actually, probably once I get on the freeway.
Do you have insurance?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, good.
Don't worry about it. If I die, you're...